Buonasera and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. Tonight I'm making for you a fan favorite. So many people who own my cookbook, my first cookbook, Whatever Happened to Sunday Dinner, love this dish. It's simple, easy, prepared in less than 20 minutes. We have, once again, one empty pasta bowl. This is a great dish for when the weather gets warm as well. It can be a cook or a no-cook sauce, whichever you prefer. I have my 1 pound of farfalle pasta, butterfly pasta, bow tie pasta, whatever you'd like to call them. And I have butter on them, melted butter, about a half a stick, so that they won't stick in the preparation. I have 1 cup of prosciutto crudo, that's the prosciutto from Italy, chopped in small pieces. 1 cup of cooked peas. If your peas are frozen, cook them. If they are fresh, do not. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and of course, the king of all cheeses, a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano for the top. You may either mix all of these together and have a no-cook sauce, or you may take the prosciutto, saute it in a little butter to get it crispy, and make the dish that way. So here we go. We take 1 pound of our farfalle bow tie pasta in a pasta bowl. We're going to add the 1 cup of prosciutto, just in bite-sized pieces, 1 cup of peas, and 1 cup of the heavy whipping cream. You may have guessed by now that this dish is called pasta with peas and prosciutto. I learned this dish when I was a 17-year-old student studying in the small town of Urbino in the northern region of the Marche. And the family that I lived with when I was an exchange student made this dish all the time. I fell in love. I've been making it ever since, and all my fans are in love with it too. There you go. Look at how delicious that colors. The heavy whipping cream pulls it all together. A little bit of Parmigiano, 20 minutes. Eccolo, dinner for your family like they've never had before. Buon appetito. Tutti a tavola. Ciao.